Hello ladies and gentlemen, in another video in my YouTube channel, SolidWorks Expert with Mohammed Bouchnar. Today I will be introducing the rip feature, the draft feature and the shell feature. So let's explore them today. So in order for us to do the rip feature, we need to create a simple form so you understand it. Okay, do the extrude bores. It will be selecting the trim feature and we can give it a direction, thickness or and the distance, and we can give it the fade corner option. Okay, done. See here, done fast. Okay, in order for us to create the rip function, we need to select those two surfaces by control. Press control, this surface, then control, then this the other surface, then try creating a plane. To be selecting a plane in the middle of them. Okay, then we are going to work on that plane. Let's try doing it like this. Select this point and this point here. Okay, as you see what we have done. Okay, now let's go to the rip function, and normally it will be done without any problem. Okay, as you see here, it's done. The rip function. Okay, if we return to that function, we can give it a draft angle. We can give it an angle of 5 degrees, example. And okay, see what happened here? There is an angle of 5 degrees. See here, it's 95 degrees. It's not as usual. Can make it bigger if we want. Give it 15 so you can see it clearly. See what happened here? Now it is wider. Okay, and we can manipulate that feature by the sketch. We can make it in this side. We can make it on the other side. We can give it a wall interference, but this one will be needing another wall from the other side to stop her. See, it does not detect the direction, so let's keep it like this. Sketch plane and remove the draft feature. Okay, now it is simply selected. Okay, create material side. This will not work right now because we need this flash to be the side of the material. Understand right now for it to work. Okay, so as we see here, now if we press this, other option will appear. If we remove it, okay, this will not be working because it is not possible. Let's try doing it like this. We can switch the other side. See right now the angle is the white is less than this one. Here we have 10 and here we have less than 10 because we have an angle. Okay, and normally people do the rip function. They do not like this. They give it a distance. They do it like this. Let's try removing it. Let's try adjusting the sketch and give it distance like this. Give it like this. And now try giving it a distance 10, and this one will be 10 also. Now we are going to remove the things that we don't need. Okay, if we select this one equal to this one, then we select this 10, it will be done normally. Right, we have removed the distances. We have to select it, this 10, and this one will be 10 also. Okay, now if we go get out, it will be done. See here what happened. It have already selected all of those, and it is done. Simple. You can, as usual, you can select this or this or this, and here it is done. Why? Because we have added those lines here. We can make it to work with this too. See, without any problem at all. Here, because we have an interference, since it is on this point, the wall interference does not detect, because here we have a zero distance. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, normally people do this shape when they work with the rib in the real life. They cut it here. Let's try cutting it. Let's remove the draft first, because we, as you see, we have an angle here. In order for us to cut it, we have to make it simple. Okay, first let's do this one. Cut here. Okay, select this one, control this one, and then convert it, and then remove the ones that we don't need. And we can also select this distance, give it 5, and this distance give it 5 too. And we are going to remove the material right now that we don't need. As you see, people usually work it like this, the rib function, because we can weld this face here and weld this one, and then we weld this one to make it stronger. We can add as much material as we need. Then we do the welding here. See, that's how it works, the rib function. So now we are going to pass to the draft. Since there is nothing more to explain here in the rib function, let's go to creating another simple form. So we see the draft, how it works. Okay, to the boss, okay, done. So if we select the draft, okay, here we select the direction that we need to work on, which is this one or this one, and we select the face, and if we apply it, it has already been applied by 1 degree. So here we can change it to. We can change this to be red. See, can make it more. We select this one, and we can change the angle here. Can make it 10. Change to be done. See, each time we select, to be selected automatically the change. And here, if we want, we can select another one. Select this one. Select the face that we want to work with, and then we can flip the other direction and put an angle to it. Okay, see here, 5, and we can change it another time and give it the other direction. See, and it will be done like this. Wait, select this one here, 5 degree. See, and I'll be flipping it from the other side. Then normally it needs to rebuild it. See what happened here? Now it is now reversed the other side. Okay, now let's try working the other ones. As you see here, the auto paint feature will allow us to see there is a draft or not, because in the evaluation tab we have a draft analysis and it is used for more design. Okay, then so this feature read draft is commonly used in the mold design. Okay, now let's try other ones, and we can select. See here what happened. We have selected this face, and it has showed us if there is a draft or not. Here it is we don't have a draft. Here we have a positive draft. Okay, if we select another face, it's given us another. See here, those in yellow they are perpendicular to this one. Those are parallel. The parallel one, they are 90-degree draft. Understand it now? Okay. So we have the manual mode and we have the draft expert mode. Until now we have been working on the draft expert. Let's try selecting the manual mode. Okay, here we select the plane, and then we select the face that we want to draft, and we give it an angle, and we can switch the side of the angle as desired. So here we can put it in the other side. Okay, and we can switch another option here. We can select a line, and it will be working on that line. Okay, so here it will be working on that line, same as the surface, but this time it will be selecting a line, not a surface. That's all. Okay, and we can select two directions here. This one, this surface, and this surface. Understand that now? We can allow the reduced angle, and we can step draft. Here there are a lot of options to work with the step draft. We can select it's as simple as the other one. We can select this face or this face to be doing the draft in the end. Okay, other face. Okay, we're done. See, that's for the draft feature. How it works right now. So it's used in the mold design. Why it is used in the mold design? Because in the mold design we need to make sure there are no drafts. Because when the mold open, we need to make sure that the part is not stuck in the mold. That's why we create drafts. Okay, then that's all for the drafters. We select another one. We have the option to create a draft, to work with the draft expert, which be selecting the direction and the phase that we want to work on, or to make it manual, which will be simpler. Okay, then that's all for the draft. Let's go to the shell. So in order to work with the shell, let's try making it more complex, this part. Let's try adding a lot of faces here, so you understand how the shell feature work. Okay, let's try doing this better sketch. We're going to do this one, yeah, then go to this one. Okay, as we see here, let's try doing the border switch and then give it a surface here. Okay, done right now. Okay. So let's try working with the shell feature right now. The shell feature this one will be selecting the face that's going to be removed, and this one will be selecting the thickness to keep, and will be selecting 1 millimeter, and this one will be doing it outside or the inside. Okay, show a preview right now. See what happened. Or we can do the outside as desired here, depend on your work. Okay, so we have here another option here. Here you can select the thickness, different thicknesses. If we select this face, you can give it 10 or maybe give it 5. If we select another face here, it'll be working with it, giving me, we can select 10 here. See, we can manipulate it as we want. If we give it another surface here, we can select 2 here. See what happened? If we select this one, it will be giving us 20, but it is not possible since we need since this face we need to fix first the sketch here. We have 2 faces. Now it is working. See right now what happened. You can select 1, you can select 20. It will be understanding all of it. Let's keep it 10 here. See what happened right here, right now. You can manipulate the thickness of the shell as desired here. Here we have 1 millimeter, and here we have 5. See here. Thanks to the shell option with multiple thicknesses. I think we have explored all the shell features. This is the outside, and those are the multiple thicknesses setting we have explored. Okay, I think that's all for the draft option and the rip function and the shell function. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.